Now we're going to have a look at how to rename sheets, delete sheets and move sheets across. So we have a number of sheets at the bottom here. We have a name called a new sheet. Now if we want to change the name, all we simply do is go to the sheet, double click it, and it gives you a highlight. You can call this the old sheet. Another way to do this is just a right click and you can simply go up here and click on the rename, and that does the same function, just takes a little bit longer. To move the sheet from its current position to either the end or the beginning, you simply go onto the sheet, hold on to your left mouse, and as you can see you have a little icon come up with a little arrow showing you where it is. Now we can simply move it across, so if we slowly go across you can drop it here, you could drop it here, or you could drop it at the beginning. So let's release it right here. Now another feature is that if you want to copy the sheet to another tab as well, you could do that. So the way to do that is you can go right click and you can do a move or copy. So you can take it here, create a copy, or simply use it to move the sheet across. So if you want to create a copy, let's create the copy after number 2. And you can see the old sheet has come across here as old sheet 2. Now the shorter and easier way to do it is you go back to the tab here and you hold down Ctrl and Shift together. Then left click on your mouse and you can see the plus icon has come up with a little arrow on the left. Now you can simply just move it across, and let's just let go over here. And what that does is it's simply going to bring over the other sheet across. So that's another easier way to duplicate a sheet. Now lastly we have a look at how to delete a sheet. To delete a sheet you simply go onto the tab that you want, right click and you go to delete. Very important to note that once you delete a sheet you cannot bring it back unless you're in Microsoft 365, where you can go and look at different version histories and bring it back if you want. So be very sure that you want to delete it. So you come across here, you press delete, you will have a sheet that's now completely disappeared. We have a look at how to move a sheet across to another workbook. So if we right click here, we can go across to move or copy, and we simply have a dialog box over here which can move it across to any other workbook, and it's the simple thing. So if we just click onto that and you can create a copy, press OK, and that moves it across to another workbook. Shortcut.